guys, this is Mary Chris, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you ways to create a Facebook advertisement. So, as requirements, you'll be needing the following. So, a Facebook page, a credit card, PayPal, Gcash, or PayMaya account, and the advertisement itself in the form of text, image, or video. So let's start now by going to your Facebook account and access your Facebook page. So in my case, I have created this Max Cycle PH, a Facebook page to promote my bicycle shop. So the first thing that I'm gonna share with you is the easiest way to create an FB ads. So if in case you already posted things on your Facebook page, you can already use that to post an advertisement. So in my case, I have this video I created and I will use it for the FB ads. So you'll just need to click the boost post and then this form will appear. So on the right side, you can see a preview of how your post will look like in mobile view, Instagram, or even Facebook stories view. So again, you can just drop down and select. And on the left side, you will need to fill everything in this side. So like for example, the objective. So what result would you like from this post? So as my business objective, I selected connect and chat with potential customer. So for the messages, I selected the messenger because I don't have a WhatsApp account. So once the customer click the button send message, they can contact you now through Messenger. And for the welcome message, you can actually personalize this part. You can edit and personalize the welcome message as you like. So whatever your preference is. So for example, I will put on where is your physical store located or where is your shop located, and whatever I edit in the text box, it will reflect on the preview of the welcome message. Next would be the audience. So as for your marketing strategy, you could reflect your target audience detail in this part. So I would like to target men aging 20 to 45. And the location would be Hagonoy, Bulacan, since the store is located in Poblacion, Hagonoy. So you can just type on the location or you can drop a pin. So drop a pin. But in my case, I'm more comfortable in using type your location. So I will probably type again. So Hagonoy, Bulacan. Part of Central Luzon. So as you can see, your potential audience size depends on the audience that you specify. So if you specify your location as the current city only, your potential audience size decrease. So next is the detailed targeting. So as per my marketing strategy, I would like to target the commuters and the frontliners because in this time of COVID, I guess they'll be the one who needs bicycle the most because as we all know, our mode of transportations are very limited. So I guess it will help them go to work safely. So just click and select your target audience, and then your possible potential audience could decrease or increase depending on the specification you made for your target audience. So you could just save and then continue. So for automatic placement, I just set which is recommended, the on. And for the duration and budget, so again, you can do as you please. So, but it has a limitation. So they suggested that you select more than 4 days. 4 days or more for the ads. And they also don't accept less than 50 pesos minimum budget. So you might want to reconsider increasing your budget. So for the estimate people reach, you could reach 240 to 700 people per day. So next would be the payment. You could choose what currency you'd like to use. So if you had a client in the US, you can select US dollar. So again, depending on your preference. So just read, you can also read the terms and condition if you have time. Then the payment method. So for the payment method, as what I've discussed earlier, they're accepting credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Also, you can set the location or show payments method for. And then you need to fill up the details of your credit cards to continue and to post the ad successfully. So you can also have other options such as PayPal, GCash, and PayMaya. So if you select PayPal, you will be redirected to your PayPal account wherein you need to log in to continue. So with GCash and PayMaya, so a prompt will appear. So it says that you can add money to your balance using GCash. So you'll just proceed to payment or review payment. So again, you can choose which payment method is available for you so that you can continue posting your ads. So since it's only a training, I didn't finish the payment method. So the next way that I'm about to show you is posting ads using the create post. So in create post, you can actually type on text ads, photo ad, or video ad. So in my case, I already make a advertisement, a text caption. So I'll just copy it and then post. So my text ad is targeting commuters and frontliners. So you can select post or boost post. But I suggest you use boost post because if you use the post, it will only be shown to your two people who like your page or their friends. But in boost post, although you need to pay for it, you could reach more people. So a form will appear. It is almost the same with the first way that we discussed. So again, you'll just need to edit and fill the left side. So the audience again. So you could just repeat whatever you've done earlier. So in my case, per day, you can also personalize it because we're doing different ads before we do a video, and for this one, it is a text advertisement. So you can personalize it. So I set up 4 days for 300 budget. So again, the payment method, you will need to set it up. So since I haven't set it up, I can post the advertisement. So this is just for training purpose. So the third way that I'm about to show you is the more detailed way to create an FB ads. So just click on create ad and you will be redirected to the ad manager. So it is the Facebook Ads Manager. So it comprises of 3 sections: the campaign, the ad set, and the ad itself. So we'll just need to go through these 3 sets. So first, what is your marketing objective? If you'll be posting a video ads, I suggest you select on video views. But in my end, I will be posting a photo advertisement for possible orders and inquiries, so I selected messages. So just click on the campaign name. So I'll put cycle to work. And then you can optimize your campaign budget. So you can have a daily budget or a lifetime budget, depending on your preference. So you can set it up however you want. Then click on continue. Then for the ad account, you'll just need to fill the account country, currency, and the time zone. So since it is a business in the Philippines, I use our country and our currency. So again, it depends. If you had a US-based client, you can edit it. So next, the ad set. Just set the ad set name. So I inputted max cycle to work, and the message destination is click to Messenger because I don't have WhatsApp and Instagram Direct, so I choose the Messenger. And again, for the audience, so this part is a bit similar to the easiest way to create a Facebook page or Facebook advertisement. So you'll just need to identify your target audience, their location, age, gender, and detailed targeting. So for the location, you can type in a specific location or you can drop a pin. So again, depending on your details, your audience size may increase or decrease. So my target age is aging 20 to 45, male. And then for detailed targeting, based on my marketing strategy, would be the commuters and frontliners. So my audience size decreased because I specify my target. So frontliners. So this is the size of my potential audience. So about the detailed targeting expansion, you can check it again based on your preference. And you can see the hide option and see if it's applicable to your business and select it as you want. So for the placement, we have the automatic and the manual. I'll just set it to automatic because it's recommended. Also, we have the optimization and spending control part, wherein you can optimize the ad delivery for conversions or lead. So for my strategy, I'll choose conversion. And then you could schedule. How you want your ads to run. So you could actually specify it. So this ad managers really is more detailed than what we do earlier in this video. So if you want to be more specific in your marketing, I suggested that you use Ads Manager. Especially, there's so many things you can do with it. You'll just need to explore and apply whichever is applicable for your business strategy. So for the ad, we're now on the last part. So the identity and the format of your ad. So I'll be posting a single image or video. So I'll be selecting this one. And then for the media, you can actually try the new template. Or in my case, I already made a photo advertisement, so I could just upload the image or select it if already available. So if not yet available, you just need to click on upload and go to your folder and select the photo you need to upload. So just click on the photo and then continue. So just a reminder, when posting photo on Facebook, it has a 20% text rule. So if it has too much text, you might not be able to post or promote it. So I suggest or I recommend you to use a Facebook grid tool to determine if your image has too much text. So just search on Facebook grid tool. So just click the link and then you will be redirected to Facebook grid tool. So in this part, you'll just need to upload the image that you are probably think might not satisfy the Facebook text rule. So just upload it and wait if it satisfies before uploading it in the Ads Manager. So it can lessen the time that you will spend in posts that might not be posted because if it does not satisfy the rule. So I guess if you are not confident enough in your photo post, just go to this one and confirm it. So just upload the photo and it will rate. So the image text is okay for this photo. So in other photo, you can check it also. Just go to this link. So let's continue. So for the image, we can edit it and you can add placement whether you want it to be shared as in newsfeed or in the stories. So you can just explore this edit placement and then choose what you preferred for the ads. So you can see the preview here of the ads. So you can change it. So for newsfeed, it will look like this. And for Facebook stories, it will look like this. So I'm thinking on where to post the photo ads. So maybe I'll try what it looks like if I add primary text in Facebook stories. So it will look like this. And I think the newsfeed will do a lot better, so I'll probably use the newsfeed. So you can add a primary text. So I'll just add my caption targeting the commuters and frontliners. So again, you can explore this part. So for this one, your post will look like this, and the button in the middle is actually just a preview, a button preview of what your post will look like. So for the message template, you can select either start conversation or generate leads, but for my business strategy, I will use the start conversation. And you can click on the edit or advanced setup, wherein you can automate the messages. So you can also use the advanced setup if you want. And of course, you can create a template for your conversation. So you can edit a possible answer to this question so that your business process will be faster. So I suggest you do this because it will make the transaction in or your messaging conversation with your client more easier. So if you have more time, you can explore this part. So you just need to know the possible questions and the answers that you need to tell your consumer. So, and then lastly, the tracking. It includes the pixel, which I will not go into further details, and just proceed on payment. So just like earlier, you need to set up a payment method. But for this training, since this is only for navigation, I will skip doing a payment account. And that is the last way to create a Facebook advertisement. And I hope you learned from it. And then thank you for watching. Have a nice day and keep safe.